Hello and welcome everyone to the next episode on SAP Build Process Automation Scenario Based Training with AnubhavTrainings.com. In the last two sessions, we have learned about how to address a business requirement from our business user Jennifer to support design and development of a action project along with SAP Build Process Automation project, which is going to help us reading the order details, sending an approval form to the business user. Finally, on approval, changing the status of the order to released from status cart. In this episode, we are finally going to test our scenario. So by far in this episodes, we have learned about how to develop and design action project, how to actually uh, deploy the process, create and deploy the process, and how now we are going to see to test. So last session, I have shown you how to drive out the action trigger, and now we are going to go back to trigger this process over here using the Postman or the Bruno tool. So what I will do is I will pick up a order ID. You can see the order status is currently marked as cart. I will take this order ID and pass this order ID to my process execution. And then I will trigger the call, and this should now send a work item to the business user as per the process. So we log into SAP Build Work Zone to our business user as a user ID and go to my inbox Fury app. And Wahala, you can see we have received a shopping cart request for approval, and it has got three items: iPhone, Reno, and graphics card from GPU card from NVIDIA. I will go ahead and approve this. You can see the current status it is showing in this service is cart. I will now approve this, and they should change the status. You can see it's been approved. And if I come back and refresh, you can see the status is now released. So congratulations. This is how exactly you can do a end-to-end scenario of reading a CAP service data and then creating a process and finally testing it as a business user to trigger and approve the workflow. Once again, thank you so much for joining this series of episodes. Please share, like, subscribe this video if you feel there is an important information for you. Kindly subscribe the channel for more interesting videos on SAP Build like this. Thank you once again for your time. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.